how to change a battery on a PA15. First, we take the grill off. Need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. There's 4 screws. 2 on each side. Next step is to remove the woofer. Reduce the risk of punching the screwdriver through the woofer. Recommend laying it flat like this. Once all the screws are out, remove this. These wires are soldered on both ends, so just have to set it aside. Stand this back up. See, the battery is behind that board. That board is held in place by 2 bolts. Seem to have a 13mm wrench. Once those are out, the board can be removed, and there's the battery. Once you're inside here, you can tie some of these wires out of the way. You'll see this single black wire in here that's not connected to anything. That's actually the FM antenna. It's supposed to be just chilling in here like that, so don't worry about that. So yeah, the problem is it's glued in there basically with the double-sided foam tape, just so it doesn't rattle or come loose. But after that stuff sets and it's there for a year or two, it's really in there. So we've got a pry tool here. I'm just going to put the end of it against the battery. I'm going to try not to poke a hole in the battery, so I'm not going to try to get the sharp end on there too much. So use this blunt end. Try to pry it up. Do the same on this side. Try to break it free of this glue or the tape. And then maybe up here as well. Try to get it loose. In there and pull it away from the back, and there it is. Number 2 Phillips one. Once the battery's out, just reverse the procedure to put it back in. This is a 12-volt, 20-amp-hour sealed lead acid battery, and these are available on Amazon for $40 or so. Now that said, this is pretty heavy. It's about 13 pounds, 14 pounds, and if you wanted to, you could upgrade to this battery here. I wouldn't try other ones. This is the only one that we've tested that works with our charging system, but this is a lithium battery. It's the same voltage, it's the same capacity, but instead of 15 pounds or 13 pounds, this one's 5 pounds. So it's a nice 8-pound weight savings, and it's got more power than this one. So the audio performance is improved a little bit as well. So It's a nice upgrade if you're going to take it apart and be in there already. I think you can get this for under $100 on Amazon.